Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dy. We need to open parentheses. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that positive number 1 over y next to s, this is for integrating factor. So we put this one cone here. And we have e to the power of f and y. And this one we have y. That means we multiply both sides by y. Now, I will put this one go to the right. This one we simplify. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one we have y equals to ap. So the integration of that one we have sy. Now we need to concentrate on this one. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to y. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to dy. dv, that is about sine y dy. The integration of this one, we have y equal to negative cosine y. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration cosine y dy. So the integration of cosine y, that is about sine y. And I will put about c. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.